siqeda basaphara umthaka sikushiya uzibuza ukuthi kahle kahle ngawathi uphara umthaka 2 million pho yini amemezele into enje manje abatha imali kodwa wathi ngizoyidla impela imali yeni kodwa hayi zoqhubeka ngenza into engenza mina noma kwakukhona agenda yayiliwa so ngizokwenza ukuthi it's very crazy but anyway ngifuna ukuthi nizwele lesimemezelo sikaphakela ukuthi it's going down baby no turning back anyway
shit sure athi sophuma emgonqweni sesaphuma ke emgonqweni bafowethu saphuma emgonqweni sabikezela la ukuthi sizophuma emgonqweni masiphuma emgonqweni siyaphuma siyosebenza njengoba lokhu kukhishwa kwabantu kwalontshwa la kwaNongoma sibuyela keZululand sizoqala phansi umshikashiko omuva 31 July asikho isitolo somuntu okufika okufanele kube ukuthi sisavulile eSouth Africa asifuni ukuba ingxenye yengxabano asifuni ukuba ingxenye yokulinyazwa kwabantu asifuni ukuba ingxenye yokwethukwa ngamagama esithukwa ngawo kuthiwa tribalistic kuthiwa xenophobic kuthiwa singamabhabhasi barbaric asinandaba nalezo zinto kodwa sithanda ukubizwa ngalezo zinto ingakho ngaso sonke isikhathi usithola sibeka iminqamlajuqu ukukhombisa ukuthi asinayo inkinga nalabo bantu le minqamlajuqu esuke siyibeka sisuke senza ama deadline okukhombisa ukuthi abukho ubube esifuna ukwenza kini but we are giving you this time to sort out your stories sort out your businesses sort out yourself and leave the country by right you can't own a spaza shop in South Africa by right you can't own a saloon a car wash or a barber shop or any small business those small and medium businesses are reserved for South Africans. It is a law in South Africa. Asifuni ukuthi sithi sikhuluma kahle nabantu bese qhamuka umuntu wase South Africa afuna ukuzophambana nathi. Ngoba leyo nto sizikuyimela. Kusasa siqala olundi ekseni. Kusasa siqala olundi ekseni kwaceza mhlazatshe okhukho enhlungwana edlebe eDalton enkonjeni mhlahlane mabedlana mkhazane emashona nazo zonke igodi ezakhela ulundi sicela sihlangane ekseni ngo6 lapha yana kwa Eli elokishini olundi ukuze sizosuka khona bese siyophela edolobheni ngabo past 11:12 masuka lapho ngo1 kuhlangana epolice station kwaNongoma kuhlanganwa ngo1 epolice station kwaNongoma siyahamba sidabule edolobheni siyongena emhlanganweni egroundini kwalindizwe siyonikeza umhlahlandlela ukuthi kusuka manje kuyaphambili kwenzakala umuntu oqashisa umuntu okufika lapho olundi sicela mtshele ahamba sizongena emakhaya kade sihamba emadolobheni sitshala emadolobheni sesibuyele emakhaya ke manje siyobakhipha emakhaya laba abaqashile sesizwile futhi ukuthi nina abantu bokufika you are resisting to leave people's houses that is intrusion that is invading okusho ukuthi nina kahlehle lento engangisho ukuthi laba abantu bazodlizwe ngonyaka ophelile ngoDecember 2025 lento engayisho ngo2014 ukuthi indaba yabantu bokufika ibhekwe bazodla izwe we've built an army we've built a men's army of this country to make sure that we protect this country